I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Prescription Nurse, your daily dose to living well. I'm Shandra Eldridge, your nurse consultant, health coach, back with another outdoor workout video. And if you are a beginner and you're looking to tone up, lose weight, build endurance, flexibility, and strength, these workouts are for you. So get off that couch, stop scrolling, and join me in this workout. Let's get it!
It's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. Oh, 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 I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb. It's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. I know I'm acting stupid, we're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb. It's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose acting stupid. We're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. But I feel so young. Drunk. I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh,
So if you want to elevate your workout, this is just a tool that you can use. This is a neoprene vest. It provides support, it helps you to burn fat, and it also helps to strengthen your lower back. So if this is something you're interested in, I recommend you try it. I like it because it actually helps me to burn fat. It gives me back support. It helps support my abdominal muscles, my core, and it just helps you to lean out a little bit quicker overall. So it's not the end all be all. It's not a magic trick. It's just a tool to give you some support to help give you a little boost in your weight loss journey. So I thought I'd share this with you guys because I've been wearing it in my workout videos, and if you've been wondering what it is, it's just a neoprene sweat vest. It really helps you to lose water, to shed that extra water weight, and it helps with bloating. So, you know, I think it's a great tool for you guys to try out if you're interested in leaning out, losing bloat, water, weight, and you want to add support when you're working out to your lower back and your core. This is something you should try out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So stay tuned to Prescription Nurse. Now that's your daily dose.